Yes, good afternoon, Akisa. Quite a number of dozens of people outside the Supreme Court precincts where we're standing right now. They've been here for over an hour now, and they're carrying placards talking about the election was stolen. They're saying Wakora, Wako Supreme Court, and they continue, if you can hear behind me, still shouting, chanting. They're carrying twigs. They've been here for quite some time now, Akisa, and they even have a sound system. They've been shouting Jubilee, Jubilee, and so it is more of this protest saying that, in fact, they will not allow the will of the people to be subverted. So that is what is going on right now, Akisa. But also, let's talk a little bit more about those petitions. So two of them have been filed against the Deputy Chief Justice and Justice Lenaola. It is important at this point to also remind our viewers that that petition that was filed by Ngunjiri Wambugu against the Chief Justice is still before the Judicial Service Commission. It's in their custody right now. What's happening is that they're holding a meeting within the Supreme Court of Kenya, and I understand any moment from now they will be addressing the press to just give the way forward. So there are those petitions still, including the one for the CJ, still before the JSC, despite the public pronouncement by Ngunjiri that he will withdraw it. This is after President Kenyatta asked him to do that. That was not done, at least not formally, so it is still before the JSC. Also, we're hearing there could be another petition before the end of today against Justice Mokin Wanjala. So that has not yet happened, but reports indicating that also that is a petition that's likely to come. But also to note, we've been speaking to some of the members of the JSC. The JSC now, in essence, has petitions against all the judges. And I say all the judges because those petitions against Judges Ibrahim Ojwang as well as Njoki Ndongo that were dealing with issues of absconding of duty, they had not yet been canvassed and dealt with. So those petitions by Apollo Mboya are still with the JSC, and they were also seeking that the JSC find the three judges had conducted themselves grossly. So in essence, other than Smokin Wanjala at this particular point, the JSC seized of petitions on all the other 6 judges of the Supreme Court. But as I said, sources indicating there could be yet another coming against Smokin Wanjala.